Here's what every travel content creator does.
Every shot you just saw, I'm about to teach you how to film it. When I started making travel videos, they were embarrassingly bad.
This is before and this is after.
I have no idea what I was doing until I learned a few simple things, and everything changed.
This video is sponsored by MPB and I can't wait to tell you more later. This is called teleport.
You appear out of nowhere. This one's the most fun and easy to do when you're shooting yourself.
Here are great 2 examples I found from Instagram.
Set your camera on a tripod. Film the empty scene. Don't move anything. Then step into frame and film again. You appear out of nowhere.
Editing is quite easy. You just cut out the beginning part where you're not in the frame. Then find the clip where you're in the frame. For my case, I cut out the part where I was walking in, straight to the part where I jump. Ideally the second part of the jump. And let's clean it up and play it. I'm gonna show you another perspective so you know how it works. Usually I run to the scene after I film the empty view.
Make sure you put your camera on the tripod.
Jumping is the easiest because you don't really need to do fancy transition.
This one trick, turn your trip into a movie.
This technique is called slow shutter. You've probably seen it before. Here's how I do shot like this. The shutter here is 1/8, but I feel like 1/14 is good. There's usually an option to change your shutter on your camera setting. iPhone itself doesn't let you change the shutter, but you can download an app called Blackmagic and it let you change the shutter.
Try staying in front of crowd, traffic, or anything with movement.
It's more dramatic. Due to the low shutter, your image will be really exposed. You should get an anti-filter with multiple stops, or shoot it during or after sunset. The anti-filter I use is from Freewell. I prefer using it with a diffusion. It makes you look a lot more softer, so you can shoot all day, even during midday. This is with diffusion. This is without diffusion. Can you see the difference? How to make your take interesting if you don't know how to frame. This is the easiest trick I can give you.
When you film an action, don't just frame it with one angle. Film yourself in different angles. Here are my shot list for just one action. Steal it. For example, right now I'm about to wax my board.
Most people will set up the camera and just film this action in one single shot like this and call it done. Instead, I'm gonna shoot this from all the angles I can think of. If this is helpful so far, hit the like. It helps support the channel.
This transition is called match cut. It's one of the most powerful and easy transitions in travel filmmaking. It helps you tell the story to show time has passed. The concept is stupid simple. Pick one action, walking, running. I pick walking over surfboard. Since right now I'm actually in Hawaii and majority of the time I spent was surfing. So I want to showcase that, hey, I did surf many spots. So I'm gonna grab the surfboard and walk across the frame in different settings to show you that time has traveled and also I have been to many places throughout this trip. Now in the edit, you have 2 choices. One, you can cut right in the middle of the motion. So it feels like one seamless take and the world just shifts around you.
Here's an example. If you have music, it works really well if you match the beat.
Or you let each moment land on its own, matching the movement from scene to scene like a rhythm. Works really well for Instagram short form content. Same speed, same direction, but every cut tells you something new. It instantly tells the viewer, ooh, she's been places. And the key is, this is where most people mess it up. Keep your framing identical between locations. If you have different lens, just make sure that you use the same lens for that shot. For example, if the first shot you did for 24mm lens, the next shot has to be in 24 as well, so it looks like the same action, or it might look really weird. This one made your vlog looks like a commercial. I think I'm hungry.
You need 2 shots for this. This is shot 1. We film the subject first. At the end, we whip to the left after the subject. And for shot 2, we'll whip in the same direction. For this case, we'll whip in from left into the subject in a new location. The cool part is now you feel like everything is shot in one take, but it's actually shot in 2 different locations.
Pan your camera at the end of the clip. Left or right, it doesn't matter. You just need to make sure it's the same motion at the beginning of the next clip. If you did left, you should keep left this time. If you did right, you did right the same time. You can even do up or down. And when you cut them together, your brain somehow read them as a continuous motion, even though you are in a complete different location. And the best tip for this trick is use your wrist instead of your arm. You do like this, like a pen, instead of like this.
All this gear are not cheap, and I just booked a whole trip to Hawaii, so my budget isn't looking great.
Cameras are so expensive now, and you save so much money when you buy used.
I brought my camera from MPB. 1 camera, 2 lens, that's all I brought. They offer a huge selection of used camera gears with a free warranty and free returns. It gave me peace of mind when making a big purchase. So if you want to upgrade, you can easily train your old camera to them and put the value right toward your new one. I got a wide lens, 16-35. This is for close-up, for talking to camera, for making you feel like you're right here in Hawaii with me.
Currently it's May 4th and we're in Hawaii right now.
I also brought super long lenses, 200-600. If it's far away, you need a long lens. There's no trick around it. It's great for bird watching as well. This is for surfing.
The wave breaks so far out, you literally cannot see them.
If you're not shooting surfers, I do think 200mm would do the job. It's a lot more lighter. For camera, I choose FX3 for its low light quality and its fast autofocus.
Everything I'm about to teach you also work on the phone. The technique is a technique. You don't actually need a camera, you just need what you have already.
The next tip, avoid midday.
See this footage right here? This was shot in the middle of the day.
Look at my face. The light is coming straight down, casting shadow under my eyes. I would say this is not the most flattering way to showcase your face. Now look at me. Same me. The light looks so much softer. This is right before sunset. And this is during sunset. The light is gorgeous during this time.
Mic yourself.
This is with the mic. This is without mic. Can you hear the difference?
Good audio means I feel like I am with them. Right there at this moment. Guys, I'm so happy. This is the first time me learning how to use this swing. The whole time I thought not letting go is what you're supposed to do, but turn out letting go is. I'm scared.
Just do it.
Okay.
Go.
Finally, I learned how to let go this time. I guess knowing how to let go is actually cool.
This is the last tip. Try to tell a story. A lesson you learned on this trip. The people you met on this trip. The best part of this trip wasn't the footage. It was the people. My friend Louie helps me shoot this whole vlog. He just quit his job, same as me, to chase his dream of surfing and making memories. We connected through this exact same goal, and that's honestly why I post my videos here, to meet people like him. So, if you're based in Southern California and love the beach and making cinematic videos, come find us. Thank you so much again for watching. I really appreciate you staying to the end. If you find this helpful, could you do me a favor and like the video?
I'm not the